So if you want to be long in the market, only God have to save you. There is no way market is going to go on the upside. So that is my personal opinion. It is even, I can tell you firmly, it is not going to go on the upside. Even if it goes on the upside, people are ready to sell, FIAs are ready to sell. And today's price action was stock specific. It was purely ICICI Bank. Over the weekend, ICICI Bank came out with a good result. That was the only reason Bank Nifty was closed positive, and Nifty had broken 17,000 and closed below 17,000. And this 200 DMA is acting as a emotional thing or a psychological support. Now tomorrow, as I talk to you, Dow future is down by more than 250 points. Europe is down in spite of elections in France. I think French president has been elected second term. In spite of all these things, markets are going down. Nifty was able to hold just because of ICICI Bank, Reliance Bank. Future retail issue is gone. It is called off. So that is a big hit for Reliance. Reliance is down by, I think, another around 1% or 1.5%. I think HDFC was flat, and ICICI Bank was the only stock which was performing. Now what I can see in the Nifty chart and open interest is that there is aggressive put rating at 17,000. So there are some smart people who think that 17,000 might act as a support. That we really don't know. We will have to wait and see, and what is going to span out. Now what I can feel is from the chart, if I see the chart, so aggressive if you see this is open interest chart. If you see the Bank Nifty chart, so the low which was made on 19th, which is around 16,824, is going to act as a support for the near term for this expiry. I'm not talking about 1 month or 2 months, for this month. So I hope tomorrow it has to be taken out. So because there is no bullishness, even FIAs are not bullish, and I'm sure last week, I think last Thursday, they sold for around 2,461 crores. And I'm sure they would have sold today also. Still FIA data has not yet come. So it's time to short the market, and we have been telling this for a very, very long time to short the market. If you are not shorting the market, you can short the market now. Now, if you ask me, I shorted the market, and if the market moves, what is going to happen? Short more calls. You will make good money. That's what we have been doing all these times. Whenever there is a rise, we are shorting the market. And of course, put side, there will be some problem if you are doing a straddle or strangle. That can be managed. Of course, there is a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Otherwise, market is also super volatile, and people are talking about moving to intraday. I don't know how intraday is an area where it is fully occupied. It is fully, what to say? It is intraday is a place where, they put this algo trading into work for intradays, and algos keep on punching the order up and down, and see the volatility. Today alone, market has moved like anything from 17,000 to 16,800, 850 levels. I think it has moved violently up and down. Bank Nifty, and most people put the algo trading in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also super volatile. It is very hard to make money in algo trading. Maybe some smart people are making good money in algo trading, and I am a positional trader. I don't look into intraday trading. Anyway, so looking at the markets, what we can say is, as I told you, it is only because of HDFC, ICICI Bank, we were moving on the upside. If ICICI Bank was not there, we would have gone below 16,800, which is the psychological support, and 200 DMA. Now once this 200 DMA is taken out, I'm sure market will hit 16,500 levels also. So even now it is good time to short the market, go and sell calls, call premium, or super due to India VIX. I think India VIX also short by around 2.5% or 3%. You are having a good premium. Even if the market moves on the upside, there is going to be drop in India VIX, and you will not have that much of a loss when you sell a call option. So that's what I'm saying. There is a disclaimer. You have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Now, not only stock specific, not only there are bad news around us, even crude oil import, Reliance future retail deal is called off, so it is going on the downside. There is Reliance is having a negative effect. Even these Far East countries have banned palm oil export from their country. That is Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia. All these countries have banned palm oil from palm oil export. And why is this a concern? Because edible oil, or this main ingredient for edible oil and other materials is palm oil, and India is one of the most biggest importer of palm oil from Far East countries. So that could be one concern why this some stocks, even Adani, if you see Adani, it was down by 2%. And in spite of all this happening, 10-year bond yield is still going on the upside. And if 10-year bond yield is going on the upside, it's a proxy. So you cannot expect the market. 10-year bond yield has to cool off for the markets to go on the upside. It is not happening. It is going on the upside, one-way direction only, like what market went for last 1 year. It is happening. So markets are likely to go on the downside. Go and sell call options. You will make good money. I am telling you again and again, go and sell call options. You are going to make good money. And of course, if the market even reverses, you should know how to manage, right? Otherwise, I don't see any this thing. And if positionally, our trades are really good. We shorted some call option. We sold this. Let me show you. Yeah. Today morning, over the weekend, we had a 17,800 call option. We booked profit in 17,800 call option. Then we sold 17,700 call option. Then we sold 17,500 call option today. All three are in good profit. Otherwise, see here, 17,000. Aggressive call rating in 17,000 and 17,000 straddle are being written in Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, literally no call rating, and there is aggressive put rating. Maybe for due to ICICI. But what I feel is 36,000 is going to be a good support for Bank Nifty. That is where the Bank Nifty reversed today. So it gapped down today around 36,000 and it went all the way to 36,200, and because of ICICI Bank. Otherwise, Nifty would have gone down. And even though we talk all these things, if you see in a very simple logic, if you apply some simple logic also, there is no reason for market to go on the upside. Over the weekend, Jerome Powell came out and told he is going to increase the phase of interest rate hike sooner than later. So that was a big concern, and we saw what happened to US market. Dow alone fell more than 1,000 points. But what was very much surprising is, even though Dow fell so much, we used to overreact, for I think last March 10th, when Dow future was going, Dow market opened around 600 points, we gapped up more than 450 points. You cannot compare the market capitalization of Dow Jones and Nifty 50. Not even 5 or 10% of what Dow is having, right? Like that, this market tends to overreact. Even now, as I talk to you, Dow future is down by 300 points. But our market, SGX Nifty, is showing a positive of around 50 or 65 points. So this is a weird kind of market, and we are kind of overreacting. And I am telling you, this is going to be a very tough place to survive. So anyway, let's hope for the best. And I am again telling you, and I am again saying, please go and sell call options. You will make good money. Don't be a fool and don't go long in the market. This is not the right time to go long in the market. That's it. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.